You searched how to buy shares of Warrant of Opendoor Technologies Inc. Opendoor Technologies operates an online real estate marketplace, and this warrant trades on NASDAQ under the ticker OPENL. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy OPENL, you need a broker account, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker OPENL to find the warrant for Opendoor Technologies Inc. Make sure you select the correct listing before proceeding. On the asset page, review the basic company summary and the price chart to understand recent activity. Confirm the name in the OPENL ticker to ensure you have the right instrument. Press Buy, enter the amount or number of warrants you want to acquire, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued for execution when trading reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once executed, your OPENL position will appear in your portfolio with its current status and holdings. A link to the eToro example is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.